Hi guys, I'm Bree, also known as Sunshine Caroline. I've been modeling for about 7 years and I do everything up to art nude. So I found out about Muses in Wonderland through another model named Miss Oleana. She's another model that has attended this year and last year who knows the owner of the event. Everybody that has been invited to this is somebody that is good to work with as well as good girls to work with, other models. The setups are amazing and of course, like the event host is great, so she did an amazing job putting this together. I'm super proud that she did this. And I think that it really sort of changes things in the industry. Normally it's all men running things like this, and it's empowering to see a woman actually do it. So the horses were great. I'm actually afraid of horses and I conquered my fear here. One's pregnant. So she was good to stand by, but the other one was amazing to ride, extremely good listener, and was perfect to shoot with, of course. We were best buds. I was very happy. I was shaking after the first time I did it because I haven't done it in a long time, but then I went back for seconds and thirds and fourths. So I think the experience is 10 out of 10. The chef was amazing. Not only did he make great food for everybody, but he catered specifically to me, which nobody ever does that. I'm vegan, so it was amazing to actually be able to eat food and have the owner of the event care about that. The open space was great. You were never on top of anybody, which always helps, and everything's really spread out. And the photographers were also great. They did a great job and they were good to go. So I think that's really unique. A lot of people don't do that for their events. Having a huge board with everybody's schedule so that nobody gets mixed up and you're able to pick up more bookings is genius. Knowing that there was wardrobe was actually phenomenal. I did not expect the amount of wardrobe, which is great. There's so much to choose from, whether it was shoes, jackets, dresses, lingerie, pretty much everything under the sun. Jewelry, they had jewelry. It was great. If you guys want to work with me, you can check out my link down below. Thank you. Something I would like to say to Alice is go you. You did an amazing job. I already said it before, but you're a badass and keep doing it. Go Bills!